Is happening at a rapid rate down in the Keys. They're trying to put out more heat-resistant corals and things like that, as opposed to kind of cooling the oceans down. We're trying to resist the heat as well. But luckily, we do have El Nino in place for our Atlantic hurricane season. That's what's helped to keep us a little bit quieter, because those ocean temperatures for us are very warm. We do have a couple of areas in the tropics that we are watching right now. I'm not overly concerned about either of them, thanks to those environmental factors that are just kind of preventing a lot of these tropical waves from forming. This one off the coast, just to the east of Bermuda here, medium chance of developing as it lifts off to the north. Tropical wave, though, coming off the coast of Africa has a better chance of developing. Some of our forecast models do develop that at least into a tropical depression as we go through this week, but it's going to be battling this wind shear, some dry air. Most of our forecast models keep it out to sea. Long time to watch it, though, and we'll keep you updated if anything changes. Things are quiet across the Tampa Bay area, though, this morning. We're feeling the warmth along the coast with those warm water temperatures in terms of our humidity. It's 78 at UTC here in Sarasota. A few clouds out there, but we should have clear enough skies for a rocket launch happening in a few minutes here. Starlink mission going up at 5:33. This one should be a good one because it's perfectly timed, about an hour before sunrise or so, and we could see some of those noctilucent clouds forming as that launches. So that's coming up at 5:33. Weather looks pretty good. As we go through our day, our temperatures are going to warm up to about 90, 91. Feels like temperatures, yes, will be hotter than that. But our temperatures this week actually a lot closer to average. Humidity not quite as excessive as it was last week. That's because we're starting to see a little bit of a pattern change. Not too much yet. We're still seeing a couple of these coastal morning showers near Holiday right now. One small downpour moving on shore. But we'll see those midday storms near I-75 largely shifting inland, though. Polk, Highlands County have a better chance at seeing some of that heavier rain this evening, both today and tomorrow. Going through the rest of the week, we're going to really talk about more of these afternoon thunderstorms in the forecast, as opposed to these morning showers that we've been seeing. Those morning temperatures will be a little bit nicer as well, not quite as muggy. Juliana?